Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make mochi, Japanese rice cake in blender. We are going to make three different kinds of mochi, a minion shaped mochi, a bunny and a panda shaped mochi. So let's get started. Shift A and add a plane, and then we're going to shift A and add a cube. We are going to make the tray in which we're going to place the mochi. Scale it down along the axis, go to edit mode. Now I could even apply rotation scale. Now add in a subdivision modifier. Control R to add some loop cuts to give it a shape of a tray. We're going to make a wooden tray. Shade auto smooth and scale it along y-axis. Now we're going to make the paper cup for the mochi. For that, shift A and add a cylinder. Grab the upper surface, scale it a bit. Now go to wireframe, select the edges, checkers deselect, and now we have selected every alternate edge. Control R to add a loop cut. Adjust it. Delete the bottom vertices like so. Solid view, delete the upper. Now add in the solidify modifier. After that, add a subdivision modifier. Shade auto smooth it. Now we will place the three paper cups, and after that we will start making minion mochi. For that, UV sphere. Scale it down a bit along the axis. Now add in a subdivision modifier. Shade auto smooth. Adjust the shape like so. Now add in the circle. We're going to make the glasses. Place the circle like so. Go to edit mode, extrude the vertices like so. Now we have made the band for the glasses. Adjust. Shade auto smooth. Now shift A and add a torus. Now adjust it. Now add another circle. We're going to place it in the middle of the torus to make it look like the eye. Edit mode, F to create a face. We will add a solidify modifier to the band. Now we will add a solidify modifier. Now add a subdivision modifier and adjust. Go to wireframe and delete the extra vertices and join the last two vertices of the band. Now we will duplicate the inner circle to make it look like the eye. Give it some loop cuts and adjust the second eye also. Add the mirror modifier and here we have the second eye. Shift A and add a circle. This will be the mouth. Edit mode, F to create face. Delete the extra vertices. Convert to curve. Go to curve properties, geometry, and increase depth. Convert it to mesh, and now we can close the open vertices like so. Give it a subdivision modifier to make it smooth. Now place it where you want the mouth to be. Set origin to geometry, and by turning on face project we can adjust it like so. Now we will make the bunny mochi. For that we will shift D and duplicate the same sphere we were using in the previous Minion Mochi. Add a cube. Scale it down a bit. We are going to make the ears of the bunny mochi. For that we will place it where we want the ears. Add in a subdivision modifier. Then we will grab this face and extrude it along y-axis. Scale it along x-axis and scale the front face down. Now it looks something like an ear. Scale it down a bit and adjust like so. Shade auto smooth, shade smooth. We'll add a mirror modifier to make the second ear. Add in a UV sphere, scale it down a bit and adjust it like so. We are going to make the nose of the bunny. For that auto shade smooth and turn on face project and adjust it like so. Shift D to duplicate it and make the eyes. The nose looks too big. Let's make it a little small and duplicate the eyes and make the cheek blush. Now we are going to make the panda mochi. For that we will again take the same sphere, shift D and add another sphere. We're going to make the ears of the panda. For that we need two spheres. One is going to be made and the other is going to be mirror modified. So we're doing that. We're going to place it where we want the ear. Add in the mirror modifier and here we have our second ear. We will make them in an oval shape. Now add in a UV sphere. Scale it down a bit. Scale it down along y-axis, and this is going to be the eye of the panda. Turn on face project font and adjust it. Let me place it. Now add in a mirror modifier so that we can adjust the size of the eye. Adjust them like so. Now shift A and add a UV sphere. Shade auto smooth it. Place it like so. And turn on project snapping, and here you have your eyeball. Let's duplicate it and make the nose, and add in a mirror modifier for the second eye. Duplicate the eyes and make the cheek blush. Now place them where we have made the paper cups and our setup. And our modeling is complete. Now we will add materials to our mochi. I will add material to one Minion Mochi. You can just change the color and use it in the bunny and the Panda Mochi. So in the materials tab, we will add a noise texture, and then we will add a warning texture. Attach the noise texture to the warning texture like so. Now add in a color ramp. Add in a bump node in between the principal BSDF and the color ramp. Add in a hue saturation value, and now attach the warning texture to the color ramp. One texture to the bump node like so. Join the color ramp to host situation value and then attach the bump node to the principal BSDF, and now you have some kind of texture on the mochi. We have to adjust this texture. For that, control T to add the texture coordinate along the noise texture. In the location, change X to 0.4, change the rotation to 0.1, and the scale to about 11. Y to about 11. You can see that the texture we made is getting scattered. Now we will adjust the color of the Minion Mochi. You can see the texture changing, and you can even see the bumps. Now in the color ramp, I will add two types of color, a whitish and a yellowish type of color, to make it look like a little rough and coated. I will add some white and yellowish mix textures. For that, I have to adjust the color ramp like so. We will duplicate this exact material in the other parts of the mochi, also on the bunny and the panda mochi. Just change the color of the color ramp like so. Now we have given some light pinkish and whitish type material to our bunny. Now it's panda's turn. So our 3 cute mochis are ready. Hope you like this cute tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.